Thank you for purchasing the I-Go Vertex Sport. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure that you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your I-Go Vertex Sport should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, remove and set aside any excess packaging. You can now begin removing the scooter in parts. First, lift out the seat and set it to one side. Then remove the armrests. Twist this dial on the front of the scooter to unlock the tiller. Raise the tiller, then twist the dial again to lock the component in an upright position. You can now access the front basket and remove the excess cardboard packaging. Cut off and remove the cellophane wrapping. Now you can access the main scooter body. Using the seat post for support, lift off the battery and set it aside. Lift this lever on the rear to separate the front and rear sections. You can now lift out these two sections separately at a more manageable reduced weight. Lower the tiller bar on the front section, then lock it again before lifting. The front section is the heaviest part of the scooter, weighing just over 20 kilos, so please take care to adopt a comfortable posture and lift with both hands. Line up the red markers on the underside of the front and rear sections to reconnect both halves. Lift and lock the tiller bar, then drop the battery back into place. Packaged with your front basket, you'll find the user manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains vital information regarding the use and basic maintenance of your scooter. You'll also find a charger for the scooter battery and an ignition key. The front basket can be attached to the tiller by slipping it over the designated grooves. Now it's time to add the padded seat. With the rubber stop removed, drop the seat onto the post. You can then use the lever underneath to swivel the seat from side to side. Now you can add the armrests. Loosen the knobs at the back of the seat frame. Then slide in the armrest. Once you have found a comfortable width of the armrest, secure it to the seat by tightening the knob underneath. Now repeat this process on the other side. Your I-Go Vertex Sport is now fully assembled. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any questions about the I-Go Vertex Sport or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.